Here's the anatomy of a meta ad. Number 1. Add image or video. It is also known as creative. This is the visual element of your ad. It can be a single image, a video, or a carousel. The image or video should be eye-catching, relevant to your message, and of high quality. Number 2. Ad text. The ad text is the main body of your ad. It provides additional information about your product, service, or your offer. Keep it concise, engaging, and easy to understand. Talk about the benefit and say how your offer will improve people's lives. Number 3. Headline. This is the text that appears next to the call to action button. It should grab people's attention and briefly convey your message. Number 4. Call to action CTA button. This is a button that encourages viewers to take a specific action such as shop now, learn more, sign up. The CTA should align with your campaign objective and guide users toward the desired goal. Number 5. Ad URL. This is the website link associated with your ad. It directs users to a landing page or a specific destination relevant to your ad's purpose. Remember, the key to making effective meta ad is to grab people's attention, provide value, and guide the user towards the desired action with compelling visual and persuasive copy. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Follow to learn more on meta ads.